Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So in this video we are going to learn the basics of Premiere Pro in just 8 minutes. So let's get started. Just open your Premiere Pro. I have a 2020 version. You can see. So here you are going to click on File, New Projects, or you can just click on New Project here to create a new project and name a project according to you. I'm naming it Premiere, Premiere Pro Tutorials. Just click OK. So this is the main screen of Premiere Pro, and here you can just adjust according to you as you like, just by going there, scrolling and clicking. And if you wanna just make it default, so workspace, reset to saved layout, and it will be as it is, the main or the default one. So if you wanna import media, just go here, double click, and a pop-up window will appear. Here you're gonna open what you want. I'm going to open this project. This is a video and it's just a simple screen recording. You can just drag this in the main frame or just double click it to just go there, and here you can edit stuff before going to the main frame. So here you can play it, and there is a mark in mark out button which is very helpful. So if you don't want this screen recorder screen, so just pause it. Now mark in, and by I you can click I and play, and we want to stop the video and pause it O or mark out, and just you can drag this from here, only video and the other is only audio. So we're gonna drag only video here. So you can see if you play this video, the only we have selected that will come in the main screen. So that's a very helpful way. You can just make it big or um, just anything you can do this. And what we'll do, we'll just get the whole video and drag it here. And now you can see this, we can scroll in, scroll out by but pinching in, pinch out. And now we can just add a music. So let's select a music. Here music I have downloaded, it's a Dance Monkey by NCS, which was on YouTube. I have downloaded the MP3 format. So if you double click it, it will open in this, and just mark in mark out as usual, and just copy audio only, drag it, drop here. You can drag or drop more than 2 and 3, like 3 are the maximum one. So you can drag at a time 3 videos or audios. So that off screen, and there's a mute and there's a lock button that will be used according to you. And if you play this, you can see, but you might not hear the audio, but you can see the bars are going up and the video is playing with audio. So here is the sound editing screen. So you can select a sound and just click on a dialogue or music, and just music and present of your background music. And you can just, I just make it big to be popular. So you can see the loudness and the ducking one. So you can low down or increase the sensitivity, the ducking up out. So you can add the video as well by just going to effects. There are the video effects, the transition also, and there's a by default transition by the Premiere Pro. So just I show you how to cut this. So just you can cut this by this tool. So we do cut out 2 clips, and we delete the middle one. Just to click on the arrow, go here, command delete, and we can just right click here and click on triple delete. So that will be adjusted. The clip will come ahead and adjust according to this. And just by clicking here and click command D, so the you can see the means transition will come here. We can adjust its duration. I'll keep it 40, and you can see a light transition over there. It's a smooth transition. Then we'll just go for graphics, and here you can see a graphics section. Yeah, the black screens where you can add credits and all to the video. And if you want to just add a title, means text on a video, so you can go to file, new, and here you can see a legacy title. Here you can add his name. I'll write here hello title and click OK. You can see the screen, select a font, just drag it and write what you want. So I'll write hello title and just close it. We don't need to save it. And you can drag this into your main frame. You can see, and we just zoom out, so you can see a hello title there on the main screen. And we'll add one more image to just show you, and the image will be this, a waterfall one. So these are the random, we want the image there, so how we can do it? So just drag an image there, and we can make the duration long and big as we want. So just click an image, then go to editing section. Here it is, yeah, and just effect controls. Yeah. Mm. And then just make your cursor there on the pointer of the playing video, so you can see the image is way more bigger. So we can just double tap to edit it, or you can just do one thing, just go to there, go on this and just click and scroll or left or right, so you can see it adjust, and it's way more easy to do by editing or stuff by writing there. So you can adjust it by this way also. And if you play this video, the video plays and the text, the image is on the screen as well. You can do it for the title as well. So I place it here. Okay, so now if you want to export this, just go here, press command A, means command all, and then command M. Now the screen will appear. Here you can see a source range, let it sequence in and out, and then the format H2642, the as you want this YouTube or something high quality thing. And just check on this option, which is use maximum rendering quality, and just export. So that's all for the video, guys. If you like this video, click on the like button. If you're new to the channel, click on subscribe and press the bell icon as well. Thank you. Bye bye.